Welcome to KRTI, your specialist SAP Transformation partner. With deep expertise in SAP and digital transformation, we deliver business outcomes across S/4HANA, BTP, Fiori, commerce, customer experience, and mobile app development. At KRTI, we don't just implement technology, we transform businesses for the future. Unlike Tier 1 firms, we deliver with a founder-led approach and deep domain expertise. Our agile execution ensures outcomes aligned to your business goals. With an offshore-first model, we help reduce total cost of ownership by up to 40%, backed by certified consultants across ERP, commerce, CX, and mobile. KRTI, focused, agile, and business impact-driven. Introducing the KRTI Unique Project Success Framework, KRTI-ACE, built to deliver transformation with speed and impact. Align, through business-first workshops, we connect SAP ERP, CX, and commerce with your enterprise strategy. Co-Innovate, together we create Fiori apps, mobile apps, CX journeys, and BTP extensions. Execute fast with Agile pods, CI/CD for SAP and commerce, and incremental go-lives that deliver early ROI. Stabilize and scale through SLA-driven AMS, predictive monitoring, and continuous optimization across ERP, commerce, and CX. Our differentiator? End-to-end, yet focused, from the ERP backbone to the CX front-end and mobility. With KRTI-ACE, transformation isn't just planned, it's accelerated. At KRTI, our delivery model combines global reach with deep expertise. Our offshore core in India powers ERP, CX, commerce, and mobile app build-outs. Regional pods in the UK, Europe, and the US drive CX workshops, solution governance, and client engagement. And our Agile pod teams bring ERP, CX, mobile, and integration experts together in one unit. Our methodology is designed for impact. Agile SAP delivery, with iterative sprints mapped to SAP Activate. CX design thinking for human-centered CX and Fiori app design. DevOps for SAP and commerce with CI/CD pipelines for Fiori, CAP, CX, and commerce. And a mobile-first approach, delivering SAP integrated native and hybrid apps. The result? Faster delivery, lower risk, and business outcomes that scale. At KRTI, we offer flexible engagement models tailored to client needs. End-to-end SAP and CX delivery. ERP, CX, and commerce unified transformations, offered on milestone-based or fixed-price models. Specialist pods, offshore core with scalable resource and on-site facilitation, bringing certified ERP, CX, and mobile experts together. Managed AMS, SLA-driven support across ERP, CX, and commerce, with continuous enhancements and app improvements. Co-Innovation Labs, a collaborative sandbox for CX journey mapping, Fiori prototypes, mobile apps, and BTP integrations, built on a client plus KRTI partnership. With these models, we adapt to your goals while ensuring agility, scale, and measurable business impact. At KRTI, leadership is directly involved in every engagement. Our founder, Shivnag, brings over 20 years of SAP and digital transformation expertise across ERP, CX, and cloud. He has delivered global programs across India, the UK, Europe, and the US, with hands-on expertise in S/4HANA, BTP, SAP Commerce, CX Cloud, and mobile solutions. With advisory-led involvement in solutioning, governance, and delivery oversight, clients benefit from direct founder engagement. A sharp contrast to Tier 1 firms where leadership presence is often missing. With KRTI, you gain not just a partner, but leadership committed to your success. At KRTI, our impact speaks through client success. In India, we helped a manufacturing leader migrate from ECC to S/4HANA with over 20 Fiori apps, reducing manual transactions by 40% and cutting reporting cycles to hours. In the UK, a pharma enterprise with fragmented ERP and CRM systems achieved 35% IT savings and 360-degree customer visibility through S/4HANA and Sales Cloud integration via BTP. In Europe, a leading retailer built omni-channel strength with SAP Commerce Cloud, CX, and S/4HANA integration, delivering 30% faster fulfillment and a 20% boost in online conversions. And in the US, a Fortune 500 tech company transformed global finance and CX with S/4HANA Central Finance, Service Cloud, and custom mobile apps, saving $2.5 million in IT costs while improving support response times and customer satisfaction. With KRTI, transformation isn't just promised, it's delivered. When choosing a transformation partner, the difference between generalist providers and KRTI is clear. Generalists cover all IT needs but lack specialized SAP, CX, and commerce expertise. At KRTI, we focus exclusively on these domains, delivering specialist solutions with precision. Where others follow slow, costly, and bureaucratic processes, we bring agile, lean, and outcome-first execution that drives rapid results. While leadership in generalist firms is rarely involved, KRTI is founder-led, ensuring direct senior oversight and commitment. Instead of relying heavily on expensive on-site teams, our offshore-first global model provides cost-effective delivery. And unlike providers who stick only to SAP Activate, we leverage our proprietary KRTI-ACE Framework for superior project success. Most importantly, we go beyond ERP, delivering end-to-end solutions across ERP, CX, commerce, and mobile. KRTI delivers precision SAP expertise with unmatched agility. At KRTI, we offer a deep pool of certified SAP and digital consultants with flexible engagement models, offshore, nearshore, and on-site. In India, offshore, our rate card is designed for cost-effectiveness. Functional consultants across FICO, MM, SD, PP, QM, EWM, and central finance between $25 to $35 an hour. Technical consultants skilled in ABAP, RAP, CAP, and CDS, $22 to $32 an hour. Fiori and UI5 developers covering UX, Fiori elements, and mobile services, $20 to $30 an hour. CX and commerce cloud consultants, $30 to $40 an hour. Mobile app developers for native, hybrid, and SAP integrated apps, $25 to $35 an hour. Integration consultants for BTP Suite, API management, PIPO, and event mesh, $28 to $38 an hour. Basis and security experts for HANA DB, security, and GRC, $25 to $35 an hour. And project managers for ERP and CX programs, ranging from $40 to $55 an hour. For UK and Europe, rates range between £65 and £150 per hour, while in the US, rates vary from $85 to $140 per hour. With KRTI, you get specialist expertise, transparent pricing, and flexible models designed to deliver maximum value. For the next steps, we propose a joint discovery session to align with your strategic priorities. Together, we will explore your SAP ERP roadmap, including S/4HANA and Central Finance, your CX and commerce strategy across sales, service, and commerce cloud, and your mobile app enablement and integrations. Through this session, we'll design a fit-for-purpose model powered by KRTI's niche expertise and our proven KRTI-ACE framework. For further information, you can reach out to us at KRTI by email at hello@krti.io. Visit our website, krti.io, for more information, or give us a call at 949-405-1717, or scan the QR code to connect with us. We look forward to connecting with you.